Hi, I'm Sergio, founder of Art on It. When it comes to do it yourself makeup, simplicity is the key. For a flawless, poreless, and beautiful complexion, apply Aquarelle Visage Foundation all over the face. Use Angel Path Artistic Compact and apply bronzer under the cheekbone and the blush on the apple of cheeks. Use Esquisse lip liner for lip definition followed with Renoir lipstick. If you wish to glam your lips, apply a Like That, one of my favorite lip cream to create luscious and fuller lips. Winker eyeliner is a one-step eye tool. Apply it on the lower lid and smudge it with your fingertips. For a dramatic look, use it on the water and lash line and smudge it with the pencil sponge applicator. And voila! You are altogether beautiful, my love. There is no flaw in you.